Last week, we talked about the but-for bridge, that critical link between your service-connected condition and the secondary issues it causes. But here's the truth. A bridge is only as good as the ground it sits on. In the service, you learn you don't just wait for a machine to break before you service it. You look to the wear and tear early. You plan for the overhaul before the breakdown happens. Today, we're moving from theory to engineering. I'm going to show you how to engineer a claim today for a benefit you might not even file for until 3 or 5 years from now. We're building the foundation before the bridge ever goes up. In engineering, you never add a second story to a house without checking the foundation. Your secondary claim, whether it's sleep apnea secondary to PTSD or hip issues secondary to a knee, is that second story. If your primary condition hasn't been mentioned in your VA records for years, your foundation is soft. When a VA rater looks at your file, they think, if the knees aren't bothering him enough to see a doctor, how can they be causing his new back pain? Before you even think about a secondary, you need to stress test and reinforce the record of your primary condition. Make that appointment. Tell the doctor how it's doing now, not how it was 10 years ago. We're reinforcing the load-bearing wall so it can actually hold the weight of the new claim you're planning. When an engineer looks at a blueprint, they aren't looking for feelings. They're looking for specs, measurements, tolerances, and the materials. The VA has specs too. They call them the Schedule for Rating Disabilities, the 38 CFR. Most of us go to the doctor and say, my knee hurts. That's not a spec, that's a complaint. To engineer a claim, you need to give the doctor the data the VA rater is looking for. Don't just say it hurts. Tell them it hurts every morning. It prevents you from standing for more than 15 minutes, or you've had 3 flare-ups in the last month that keep you on the couch. When you get those specific specs into your medical notes today, you're essentially pre-writing your Nexus letter for the future. You are providing the high-grade materials your bridge will eventually need. Good engineering always has a contingency plan that records the truth regardless of what else happens. In the VA system, your contingency is secure messaging. This is the most overlooked tool in the entire system. Every single secure message you send to your primary care team is automatically uploaded into your permanent medical file. It's not just an email, it's a legal medical document. Here's the pro engineering move. A couple days after your appointment, log into My Healthy Vet and pull up your blue button report. Read the notes. If the doctor missed a key detail, like the frequency of those flare-ups we just talked about, don't wait 6 months for the next appointment. Send a secure message immediately. In your message, say something like, I noticed in my notes from my last visit that the frequency of my symptoms wasn't recorded. To ensure my record is accurate, I wanted to clarify that these occur 3 times a week. Let us know in the comments if you've done this and how it worked for you. When you do this, you've just engineered a correction. Even if the doctor doesn't change the original note, your message is sitting right there underneath it. It's a time-stamped, undeniable paper trail that no CMP examiner can ignore. Winning a CMP claim isn't about luck or hope. It's about engineering. You're building a case based on years of documented truth, not a last-minute scramble. By the time you actually file that claim, the bridge is already built and the foundation is solid. If you've gotten any benefit from this video, give it a like and subscribe. That helps get this information out to more veterans like yourself. I'm Specialist Joe, and this is the Systematic Theory of VA Claims, and I'm signing off. Bye-bye.